Stress out? Imagine having nature in your room, something green, calming and alive, but without the mud, the mess, or the bugs. Introducing the terrarium, a tiny world of plants living happily inside a clear container. Isn't that fun? You don't even need a garden, just a jar, a bit of dirt, and a love for green things. The best thing is, you can decorate it based on your imaginations and creativity. Don't worry, it's super simple and I'll walk you through it step by step. But before that, let's take a peek inside. Did you know a terrarium can take care of itself? That's because it works like a mini ecosystem. Inside, water cycles, air flows, and nutrients recycle, just like in nature. It's called the moisture cycle, and it's what keeps everything alive and fresh. Step 1. Start with a clean, empty glass jar. Make sure it's see-through, so you can enjoy the magic happening inside. Some will ask this question, what kind of jar can they use? Honestly, anything you like. Round ones, tall ones, sideways ones, square jars, even funky ones from the kitchen. Just pick one that makes you smile. Step 2. Drop in some clean pebbles at the bottom of the jar. This layer helps with drainage, so your plants don't get soggy roots. Oh, and remember to wash the pebbles first to keep things nice and fresh. Next, add a thin layer of activated charcoal. This helps filter the air and the water inside and keeps everything smelling fresh. Think of it like a mini air freshener for your plants. Now's the time to add the soil. This is where your plants will grow, so make sure the soil is loose and fluffy, not too packed. Give it a little shake or tap the jar to level it out. The moment you have waited for is here. Now it's time to add your plants. This is their new home, so plant them gently and give them space to grow. Use small tools or even chopsticks to help guide them into place. They are the stars of a tiny green world. Now, this step is optional. If you want to make your plant feel extra happy, add some decorations. A cute rock, a tiny figure, even a mini dinosaur. This is your mini world. Decorate it your way. Don't forget to give it a little drink. Use a spray bottle and mist gently. Just enough to keep the soil moist, not soaking wet. Too much water can lead to mold, so go easy. Let's talk about tools and materials. First, you'll need a clean glass jar. As we mentioned previously, any shape is fine, round, tall, or square, as long as it's clear so you can see inside. Next, grab a handful of small pebbles. These will be your drainage layer. They help keep the roots dry and happy. Next up, activated charcoal. It helps filter the air and water inside the jar and keeps everything fresh and clean. Now, you'll need some potting soil. This is where your plants will live and grow, so make it loose and fluffy, not too packed. Tweezers or a spoon can help you place things neatly, especially in narrow jars. Now for the stars of your mini jungle, moss or ferns. They love humid spots and don't need much sunlight. Perfect little roommates for your terrarium. Last but not least, a spray bottle. Give your plants a gentle mist to keep the humidity just right. Wanna make your terrarium even cuter? Add some tiny decorations. A little farmer, a mushroom, even a mini mountain. Totally up to you. It's your world in a jar, so just go wild. Just like us, your plants need light to live. But don't roast them under the hot sun. Place your terrarium near a bright window with natural light and avoid direct sunlight. It can overheat and cook your plants. But what if your room doesn't get enough sunlight? Easy, just use an indoor light instead. A desk lamp can do the trick. Gently place it near your terrarium and your plants will be happy. Next, water. Just like us, your little green buddies need it to live. Give your terrarium a gentle spray. You want the soil to feel moist, like a wet sponge. That's the sweet spot. But don't go overboard with water. Flooding a terrarium is a big no-no. This is not an aquarium. Too much water drowns the roots and turns your mini jungle into a swampy disaster. So remember, sprinkle, not pour. If you see tiny water droplets forming inside the jar, don't panic first. That is condensation. It means your terrarium is doing its thing, recycling water like a little rainforest. But if your jar gets too foggy and you can't see your little world inside, just open the lid and gently wipe the glass with a soft cloth. A light wipe will do the job perfectly. You know, just by having a tiny green wool like this, you can definitely reduce your stress. It helps calm your mind and brings a little peace into your daily routine. Sometimes all we need is something small to care for, and it ends up caring for us too. Who says plants are only for gardens? You can turn any corner of your room into a peaceful, stylish spot with these beautiful terrariums, each one a tiny world of your own creation. It doesn't take a forest to feel connected to nature. Just one small jar, a little love, and your imagination. Bring nature home, one jar at a time. Now that you've seen how it's done, why not try making your own terrarium today? You've brought a little piece of nature into your home. Fast forward your creativity and it's time to build your own tiny world. And that's the magic of terrariums. Tiny worlds full of life right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching and don't forget to bring a little nature into your day.